everyone, welcome back again to Rebikit Foods. Rebikit Foods is a YouTube channel which deals with African traditional recipes, modern. We do breakfast ideas, delicacies, and so on. So if at all you've never gone through this channel, please consider subscribing, give it a like, share, and browse membership pack. And if you're amazed by my video, kindly throw your super thanks. So otherwise, I'm back again today. I want to make for you some pork recipe. The pork recipe that I'm going to do, I'm going to serve it with some potato wedges. So guys, this is the pork that I have that I'm going to do. These are the potatoes that I've just peeled off and I'm going to use it to serve this. So I have red onions and I need plenty of them indeed to make this tasty. I have paprika, and then I have the tomato sauce, honey, salt to taste, dark soy, and sesame seeds. So stay tuned, watch this video until the end. I'm going to marinate this. So I will marinate it with salt, soy sauce, and some oil. And paprika. So guys, make sure it's well marinated, and then keep it aside for about 30 minutes. So look at my marinated pork, guys. So stay tuned and see the next step. It's just marinated. I've lit my pan and I'm burning my pan. Now I'll just add I'll fry some oil here. So remember guys, pork has oil. So we're just doing this just to lubricate the pan, so that to avoid it from sticking. So just a little, so stay tuned. Just to check on my oil, I think it's done. And now what I'm going to do is to put in my pork. So then I will let my pork fry for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, while my pork is still frying, I'll go ahead and prepare my potato wedges. So thank you. Bake my wedges. So I'm going to arrange them here in here. After that, I'll have to sprinkle some salt. And some paprika. Then finally, some oil. Yes, this is the condition of my beef, the condition of my pork. I have to let it cook until it's brown. Okay, already it's brown, but I have to let it still brown. Let's see how delicious my pork looks. And if you see pork is fat, just see a lot of fat. It has a lot of fat. So that's why I'm saying when you're doing this, you don't need to put oil. Let it brown a bit. So thank you. My pork has brown, guys, and now it is ready. It is done. So you have to do it until you see it brown like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take them out now and move to the next step, which makes them more and more tastier and juicy. Yes, they are so tender, very soft. So stay tuned. I love the aroma. So guys, at this time, if you need garlic, this is the time you can put garlic to make it more tastier. Let me just add some garlic powder. My wedges are baking them. So guys, you can see my onions are done. So next, what I'm going to add, I'm going to add some dark soy. I'm going to add tomato sauce. And lastly, I'm going to add some honey. Then I'll give it a mix. Now after this now guys, I'm going to take back my pork in there. Then mix up everything together. Guys, this pork is so juicy, so nice. If you want to enjoy eating pork, please follow these steps. Cook it the Rebby Kid style. Mhm. So guys, after this now, you can just have some sesame seeds to eat. And not forgetting guys, some coriander. So kindly guys, watch this video, give it a like, try it out, subscribe, comment, and always share. Share as much as you can to have this tasty. So let me just have my pork and you can see how good. Hey, so you can look, see. Now this is how my pork looks like. So juicy, so yummy. And now you can serve it with anything you want, you like. You can serve it with some French fries. You can serve it with wedges. Like now, I'm baking my potato wedges, and in a minute, you'll see my wedges. So stay tuned. So guys, these are my wedges. My wedges are ready now. This is how I've served my pork, my juicy pork. So you can serve it with anything else. Just how my baked wedges. Ooh. So guys, this is so tasty. Thank you so much for watching this video. Try it out, comment, share as much as you can. And thank you for watching. Then let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.